What if you could command respect, admiration, and even obsession without ever chasing anyone? Most men struggle with being undervalued in relationships, friendships, and life. But here's the truth. People only value what they can't easily have. The ancient Stoics mastered the art of being high-value individuals, people others crave to be around. In this video, we'll reveal 10 powerful Stoic strategies that will make them beg for your attention, time, and respect. Let's dive in. 1. Become an emotional fortress. People respect emotional stability. The moment you show neediness or desperation, you lose power. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. When you control your emotions, others chase your approval instead of the other way around. Want them to value you? Be the calm in the storm. 2. Master the art of scarcity. What's more valuable, a diamond or a rock on the street? The difference? Rarity. When you make yourself too available, you become commonplace and easy to take for granted. Seneca warned against wasting time on people who don't appreciate it. Solution: limit access to you. The less available you are, the more people will chase you. 3. Never seek validation. Give it sparingly. The moment you seek approval, you give power away. The truly high-value man validates himself. He gives validation selectively, making it mean something when he does. People will crave your approval when they realize it's not easily earned. Seneca put it best: a man is as miserable as he thinks himself. Stop looking for permission to be valuable. Act as if you already are. 4th, set boundaries and enforce them. Most men lose respect because they tolerate too much. People value those who respect themselves. Epictetus taught, "How long will you wait before you demand the best for yourself?" The moment you let people cross your boundaries without consequences, they stop valuing you. Want people to respect you? Draw the line and enforce it. 5. Speak less, observe more. Silence is powerful. The man who speaks too much reveals his weaknesses. The man who listens more and chooses his words carefully holds the room. People respect and admire those who don't need to prove themselves through constant talking. As the Stoics taught, listen, observe, and let your actions speak louder than words. 6. Stop over-investing in people who don't reciprocate. Have you ever noticed that the more you do for someone, the less they appreciate it? This is the paradox of human psychology. People value what they must work for. If someone doesn't match your effort, pull back. Let them invest in you. The less you chase, the more they respect you. 7. Walk away without fear. Nothing makes people value you more than the knowledge that you will walk away if you're not treated right. This is the ultimate power move. As Epictetus taught, if you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Be willing to lose people who don't see your worth, because they'll either come back valuing you more or prove they were never worthy of your time. 8. Build a life that excites you, with or without them. People admire those who are busy living an incredible life. When your world doesn't revolve around them, they start chasing you. Focus on your purpose, your growth, your ambitions. A Stoic doesn't wait for external validation. He builds a life that speaks for itself. When you're busy improving, people will beg to be part of your journey. 9. Dominate your body language and presence. Confidence isn't what you say, it's what you radiate. Stand tall, move with purpose, and make eye contact. Your presence alone should command respect before you even speak. As the Stoics knew, your external posture affects your internal power. Own the space you're in, and people will instinctively respect you. 10. Never prioritize someone who sees you as an option. The brutal truth: if they don't see your worth, don't waste your time. Seneca once said, "Associate with those who will make a better man of you." People will value you more when they realize they could lose you. Stop prioritizing those who treat you as replaceable. Instead, be the one they fear losing. How to use these strategies today. Now that you know these 10 Stoic strategies, it's time to apply them to your life. Step 1. Identify where you've been too available and start pulling back. Step 2. Set clear boundaries and enforce them without fear. Step 3. Stop chasing approval and let others work for your validation. Step 4. Focus on your growth, purpose, and mission, not on impressing people. The more you follow these principles, the more people will respect, admire, and even chase you. A high-value man isn't someone who demands respect. He's someone who naturally commands it through his actions. Be the man they fear losing, and they'll value you like never before. Did this video resonate with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more Stoic wisdom for self-mastery and relationships, hit like and subscribe for more powerful insights.